Apple's services have become a significant contributor to its revenue growth recently. Behind this success lies a complex ecosystem that drives user engagement deeply. Subscriptions and App Store fees generate high-margin revenue for the company. Users often find themselves locked into the ecosystem due to convenience and compatibility. The more devices and services used, the more difficult it becomes to switch platforms. Monthly bills and calendar reminders ensure consistent revenue streams for Apple. A significant portion of this revenue comes from streaming and music services. Data center servers around the world support these services, operating 24/7. Startup teams analyze user behavior, optimizing the ecosystem for maximum retention. Credit card information and billing statements are securely stored for seamless transactions. Developers pay a fee to distribute their apps through the store, further increasing revenue. The result is a self-sustaining ecosystem that continues to attract new users and generate profits. Apple's ecosystem creates a lock-in effect, making it hard for users to switch. Subscriptions and App Store fees generate high-margin revenue streams constantly. Developers pay to distribute apps, increasing Apple's revenue and control. Users often overlook subscription costs, buried in monthly billing statements. Canceling subscriptions can be cumbersome, leading to unintentional payments. Apple services, like streaming and music, rely on recurring subscription fees. Data centers, like the ones powering Apple's services, require significant investment. Startup teams, like those in AI, rely on Apple's ecosystem for growth. Server racks, filled with data, are the backbone of Apple's services empire. Code screens, abstract and complex, power the services used daily. Analysis suggests Apple's ecosystem lock-in strategy is highly effective financially. By controlling the ecosystem, Apple generates immense profits from services annually. Apple's services have become a significant contributor to its revenue growth annually. Subscriptions to music and video streaming services are a major driver of this growth. By offering exclusive content, Apple creates a lock-in effect for its users. Users are more likely to stay within the Apple ecosystem to access this content. App Store fees also generate substantial revenue for the company. Developers pay a percentage of their app's revenue to Apple as a fee. This fee can be quite high, especially for successful apps. Analysis suggests that Apple's high-margin revenue is driven by these fees. Recurring revenue streams from subscriptions provide a stable source of income. Data centers around the world support the infrastructure for these services. Startup teams are working to develop new services to integrate into the ecosystem. Experts believe that Apple's ecosystem lock-in strategy will continue to drive growth. Apple's services have become a significant revenue stream, driven by ecosystem lock-in. Subscriptions and App Store fees generate high-margin revenue, boosting profitability. The company's commission-based model takes a percentage of each transaction, adding up quickly. Developers pay a fee to distribute their apps, and users pay for subscriptions and in-app purchases. This creates a steady stream of revenue for Apple, with minimal overhead costs. As the number of active devices grows, so does the potential for revenue generation. Experts analyze the impact of ecosystem lock-in on consumer behavior and purchasing decisions. Startup teams focus on developing services that integrate seamlessly into the ecosystem. The App Store's vast library of apps and services attracts users, driving engagement and revenue. Data center servers hum in the background, processing transactions and storing user data. Monthly bills and calendar reminders serve as a reminder of the recurring revenue stream. Analysis suggests that Apple's high-margin revenue is likely to continue, driven by its dominant ecosystem. Data analytics plays a crucial role in Apple's services success story now. Artificial intelligence helps refine the user experience every day. By analyzing user behavior, Apple optimizes its services constantly. Personalized recommendations drive engagement and boost revenue streams. Ecosystem lock-in ensures users stay within the Apple universe forever. Subscriptions and App Store fees generate high-margin revenue consistently. Analysis suggests that Apple's data-driven approach is highly effective. Machine learning algorithms help predict user preferences accurately. Apple's services are designed to be seamless and intuitive always. Behind the scenes, data center servers process vast amounts of data. Startup teams work tirelessly to improve the services and ecosystem. Ultimately, Apple's services success is driven by innovation and strategy. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.